Hi, my name is Danielle. I am the Digital Video and Media Specialist here at American Diagnostic Corporation. So basically what I do is I create video and photo content for social medias like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, etc. Today I'm here to talk about Cancer Survivors Day. ADC does a lot to help the American Cancer Society. We have a breast cancer awareness line, and 10% of the selling price is donated to the American Cancer Society to help fund research and try to find a cure. This day is really important to me because I was diagnosed with stage 2 papillary thyroid cancer in 2017. I had a full thyroidectomy as well as the removal of lymph nodes, and just as recently as 2021 I had a full right side neck dissection. It makes me really proud to be able to work for a company that does so much to support the American Cancer Society, because this is something that I think everyone in the world is affected by, whether they have it themselves or someone that they love or care about has.